Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel, and if you're new to my channel is mostly all about crochet. I do like to throw in my Ipsy bag and other little crafts and things here and there, and I even have an eyeglass unboxing review to show you guys one day this week. So hopefully you guys will like that. And I'd like to say welcome to all the new subscribers that I have. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. Looks like I'm headed to the 18K. So I do plan on having a giveaway for 18K. Thanks to you guys. Well, I'd like to say welcome to, I have 3 new members to my channel, and it is Melinda, Ruby, and Janet. Thank you ladies so much for joining my channel. I appreciate that very much, and that helps support my channel, helps me be able to bring the cool content that I get to bring your way. Okay guys, I have a joke for you. Are you ready? What do you call an unmarried stitch? A single crochet. Isn't that funny? Okay, let me go ahead and show you guys what I have in this video. I did film a few clips, and so in Sunday's video I showed you guys my Annie's kit that I received. I did like I guess you could say like a review, but this is it. This is the yarn. I'm very excited. I can't wait to get started on this thing. Don't forget guys, March is National Craft Month, and Annie's has all of their kits 100% off, and all you pay is shipping and handling. So it's a perfect time to try out a monthly subscription to see if you like it or not. Okay, I thought I'd show off to you guys what I had for a snack for Sunday. We had a fundraiser, a bake sale fundraiser at our church Sunday, and the money went to missions. And so this is what I got: a homemade peanut butter cookie and a pecan fudge brownie. Yep, that's going to be good. So I guess I can show you Heidi the horse. The reason I don't have that horse to show you guys is because I gave it to my grandbaby Saturday on the 5th. But let's try to take a little closer look at it if we can. Okay guys, this is the horse that I made. It is a free amigurumi pattern by jesshuff.com. I will leave her link below. She has tons of stuff. If you have not made her reindeer, guys, you need to go make her reindeer. It is adorable. Well, this is the horse that I made, and there it is. Isn't it just adorable? Now, I made the little apple as well, but the apple turned out really big, so I'm going to make another apple a little smaller. But, yep, here's the yarn that I used. I guess I can show you. Oh, yeah, the hook is a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook that I used for this project. The yarn is, I love this yarn. That's for this part right here. And the color says brown on it. This is from Hobby Lobby, made in Turkey. It's 100% acrylic. There's 355 yards in that. So there's the brown. Now the next color I have is this color right here. This is what's used for his body. This is just one of my favorite colors to buy when I'm at Walmart. Let's see if I can get the label down a little better. There you go. Yes, one of my favorites. I've always liked this color. It's the Cafe Latte. I make my turkey hats with it. I make tons of amigurumis with it. It's just a great color for lots of animals and stuff. And so, but yeah, it's 100% acrylic. So that's the jumbo. All right, let's see what my other color is. This is definitely all beat up. It's been around the block a little, I guess. This one should be Iran. Now, this one I think I got for like 62 cents when they were marked down at Walmart that day. Okay, let's see if I can kind of show him a little bit. Okay, here's his little face. Isn't that cute? To make his tail, it's just where I slip stitched one in there and ran it through. And then on as far as his mane right here, what I did is I started back here, went all the way up to the top, and then I did another row on the other side, and then another row on that side. So I had one that was right in the middle, and then I did a row on the left and on the right. And just let it flow. And shake him up a little. Let's put him back. Let's put him back there. Anyway, and so I just kind of cut the hair that was in the front. Like that. That's all I did. And he was very easy to make. Very easy. Her patterns are very easy. The apple. This apple, I just used some scrap yarn like I've got in my little scrap basket over there. So, but I really wanted the apple to be smaller. But I got it from this book, but I think I just, maybe I was supposed to use a thinner yarn. I'm not sure. I mean, it's okay being that size. But I think I'm going to make another one. They didn't have any carrots in that book. I was saddened. But this is the project bag that I used. I won this from Rose Likes Crochet. Thank you, Rose. I love this bag. It was actually, who is the one? Yeah, here's who it's actually made by. Handmade by Jennifer Chapnett. You guys probably all know her. But it's a reversible bag. And so these are the colors that I used. This was the green. Just like I said, it's just scrap yarn. The brown looks like it's got tons of stuffing. That's stuffing fuzz. Because when I took this with me, I filled this up with stuffing. I made the apple on the road. And there's red. So now I'm going to have to pull all that stuffing off of it. But yeah, that's what I made. In case you guys want to make one of these horses. She has tons of other stuff, not just this. So go check out jesshuff.com. And I used a 3.25 on the apple as well. So the next thing that I have for you guys is a basket that my sister Tanya made. And she's doing so well. She is a new crocheter. And she's doing, the basket tutorial. And I'm so excited to get to show this. She made this basket for my daughter. And bless her little heart. She is just really crocheting. Trying to keep up with all of my crochet, and she's just like bam, 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 really working to try to stay up, with the things that I'm involved in. Let's take a look at that. Okay, this basket right here, this is made by my sister Tanya, and I wanted to show this to you guys for all you new crocheters, beginner crocheters, to let you know that you can make this basket. She is new. She just started crocheting just here recently. And she watched my tutorial and followed it. And this is what she's made. Isn't it just adorable? She has given this to my daughter, Jennifer. And she has actually filled this up with Ipsy makeup. She is a subscriber to Ipsy, the monthly subscription that you guys all know that I do. I'm always showing off what I get. I just wanted to share this with you, that this is one of the things that you can use the baskets for. Just fill it up, put it on your in your bathroom, or put it on in your bedroom on your dresser or chest or something, or the bathroom sink, and fill it up, with makeup. You can have your brushes, combs, and whatever in it. But I'll leave the link to the tutorial to this one. But yeah, I'm really proud of her, for making this, and wanted to show this off before it goes to its home. The other thing that I have going this week is, I've had a lot of questions about this blanket here. This corner-to-corner scrap blanket. When I first made this, I was a little disappointed. I thought it was the ugliest blanket I ever put together. But it's like, once I washed it and actually started using it, this is my favorite blanket in the whole world. So I'm going to show you guys how to get started on making one of these for yourself. So hopefully that will be this week for you guys. Okay, guys, let's do our 365 days of prayer. Okay, so it says strength. I can do all this through him who gives me strength. That's Philippians 4:13. God of my strength, you know how much I need you. On days when it is hard to even get out of bed to face the day, fill me with strength that comes straight from you. Help me to be brave the day, knowing that I have everything I need to face every obstacle that may pop up. There are no surprises to you. You aren't startled by what happens. I can rely on you to get me through every trial and circumstance. You won't let me fall. I can face today knowing that I am yours and you are with me. When I struggle in my weakness, you are the power that fuels my soul. Infuse me with your grace that I may courageously walk hand in hand with you, relying on your steady frame when my own starts to give out. I can do all things through you, Lord my God. What do you turn to when you are tired and worn out? That is just beautiful. That's all that I have for this video. Just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.